The fifth highest in the world.
Wow. Third after
Liberty.
Statue of Liberty. It's really big. So we're gonna go there and you're gonna see the fifth tallest statue in the world. Right?
Yeah.
Is it not a temple? The GWK?
No.
It's
This
like
is a tourism area.
oh.
In here, to save your time, when you buy the ticket, you buy also the buggy car. That's a shuttle. So you don't have to walk like half hour.
And guys, pagdating nyo dito sa Garuda, meron naman siyang free shuttle papunta dun sa ticket entrance. Kumikintap ka. Yeah. Itlog ni Garuda. Hindi, ibon kasi siya. So ito yung pinaka-entrance, 125,000 IDR. Plus, kinuha din namin yung shuttle service nila, which is 40,000 IDR. So all in all, 165,000 yung nagastos namin per person dito.
We are here right now.
Yes.
So if you just go by walk 20 minutes to get to the statue, but if you take the buggy, it will be really faster. The buggy is gonna take you from here to get to the statue, maybe only 5 minutes.
Okay.
And then if you finish with everything, you can go back in the halfway. So that's why the buggy gonna be one way and then halfway back. They're gonna drop you off and then you can walk around. And then later on at 11, we have the Balinese dance performance over here. And then if you finish with everything, you can go to the restaurant. We have free drink over there.
Thank you! Ito na yung buggy car. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 7 days a week. Yeah! Hey, Pagkuhan ni Garuda, I gotta go. Oh my god, this is so big, like it's gonna fall down on me. Hindi siya makita sa camera. Malaki siya. Sobrang laki niya, guys. Oh my god. Parang part na siya ng skies. So, ganito siya kalaki. Tapos yung mga tao, ganito lang kaliit. Ayan, tignan nyo kung gano'n siya kalaki. Laki niya talaga. Guys, ito pala yung loob ng statue. Ayan. Ayan, tapos pwede pang umakyat doon sa pinakataas ng statue. Kaso, may panibagong bayad, which is 250,000 IDR. Equivalent to 1,000 pesos. So guys, yung conceptualization pala ng GWK is nung 1993 pa nagsimula. So medyo matagal na din pala. Sobrang ganda ng CR dito sa GWK. Oh, pack. Oh, pang parlor yung salamin nila. Ang ganda. May pa salamin pa dito na sobrang laki. Ayan siya sa labas. Tapos, sobrang bango. Sobrang malinis. Parang di ata nagagamit to. Guys, sobrang laki talaga nitong place na to. Ayun, sa likod ko. May statue. Tapos meron pa dun sa isa. Tapos after nun, pababa na kami. Pabalik na kami sa exit. Pero ang dami pang pwedeng makita. Like, ang dami pang statue and everything. The landscapes and whatnot. Dito kami magla-lunch. Dito kami binaba ni Kuya George. Chinese restaurant daw siya and masarap daw. Tingnan natin. Parang day2. Ito in order namin nasi goreng Jawa from Central Java daw. 18,000 IDR. Isang mi goreng na chicken or ayam. 15,000. Gurami asam, manis, sweet and sour sauce. 38,000 IDR. This is the mi goreng. This is nasi goreng, Java style. Gurami. Gurami. Hey guys, oily na yan. Hey sir, Sir George. We're going to our next destination after lunch, which is Padang Beach. To the beach. Oh no. Balot na balot kami guys. Kailangan natin naka-swimsuit dito. Adult foreigner ang ticket price is 15,000 IDR. Okay, so ito yung way papunta sa beach. Medyo matarik siya. Pababa. Hi monkey. Okay. There's monkey? Hindi, tao. Oh, okay. So we're gonna go there. Maayos naman yung daan, no? Kala ko as in walang hagdan. Oh, beach lang siya. Guys, kung pupunta kayo dito, sabi nga ni Kuya, parang sunbathing spot daw to. Swimming spot talaga siya. And yung outfit namin, balot na balot kami. Kami lang balot na balot dito. Eto siya guys, matutuwa kayo. Siya guys. Ha? Ah, ganito lang siya. Kala ko naman parang hidden. Sorry guys. There's a lot of Westerners here. I think surfing. Yeah, if you wanna surf, you can do it here. And it's too hot right now. Out of place tayo dito. Pwede ba yun? Ayun. Kung ako ba talaga kumano eh. Tapos telas naman ako. Ayan guys, pupunta kami doon. Sa inaakyatan nila. Maganda din naman siya. At ang sarap ng tubig, sobrang lamig. No, parang ang sarap maligo dito. Akyat kami. Tara. Dandan. It's very steep. So ito siya guys sa taas. Ayan, overlooking. Guys, may namataan tayo. Parang di malik eh.
We're good with our skin.
Because Westerners, when they come to a tropical island, they must change the tone of their color when they come to Bali.
Did you really go to Bali?
Yeah,
They love to tan. But our natural color is tan already.
it's already 10.
Yeah. So we don't need that.
Yeah.
We only need sunblock in this kind of weather.
They send it out to